Mirrors are like magic. They have the unique ability to transform any space, making it feel more open and inviting. When placed strategically, mirrors can reflect natural light, enhancing the brightness of a room and creating an illusion of depth. This simple addition can make a significant difference in the overall ambiance of your home. They make rooms look bigger and brighter. Imagine walking into a room that feels twice its size, all because of a well-placed mirror. It's a cost-effective way to enhance your living space without major renovations. They reflect light and make everything feel open. Natural light is a precious commodity, and mirrors help you maximize it. By bouncing light around the room, mirrors can reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day, saving energy and creating a more eco-friendly home. Want to update your home? Try adding a mirror. It's one of the easiest and most effective ways to refresh your decor. Whether you choose a statement piece or a subtle accent, a mirror can instantly elevate the look of any room. You can find mirrors in all shapes and sizes. From round to rectangular, ornate to minimalist, there's a mirror to suit every taste and style. Don't be afraid to experiment with different shapes and frames to find the perfect fit for your space. Round mirrors add a soft touch. They can break up the straight lines of furniture and architecture, adding a gentle, organic feel to your decor. Perfect for creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Square or rectangular mirrors look modern and sleek. These shapes are ideal for contemporary spaces, offering clean lines and a polished look. They can also be used to create a sense of order and symmetry in your home. Pick a mirror that matches your style. Whether you're going for a vintage vibe or a modern aesthetic, there's a mirror out there that will complement your decor perfectly. So go ahead, explore the possibilities, and brighten your home with the magic of mirrors. Before you begin, gather a few essential tools. Having everything ready will make the process smoother and more efficient. You will need a tape measure to find the right size and placement for your mirror. Accurate measurements are crucial to ensure it fits perfectly in the desired spot. A pencil helps you mark the wall where the mirror will hang. Make small, precise marks to guide your installation. A level ensures your mirror hangs straight. This tool is essential for achieving a professional look and avoiding a crooked mirror. Don't forget a hammer to install the hook or nail. This will secure your mirror firmly to the wall, ensuring it stays in place. Additionally, a screwdriver might be needed if your mirror requires screws for mounting. Make sure to have the right type of screwdriver for the screws you are using. Lastly, always prioritize safety. Wear safety goggles to protect your eyes from any debris or accidents while working. With these tools in hand, you're ready to start your project. Now let's find the best place for your mirror. Choose a wall that looks a little empty. Think about what the mirror will reflect. A mirror across from a window will reflect natural light. This will make your room feel cheerful and bright. Once you've found the perfect spot, hold the mirror up. Use your pencil to lightly mark the top center of the mirror frame on the wall. This mark will guide you when you install your hanging hardware. Section 5. Measure twice, hang once. Now measure the distance from the top of the mirror frame to the hanging hardware on the back of the mirror. This measurement is important to ensure your mirror hangs at the right height. Section 6. Getting ready to hang. This section will guide you through the essential steps to ensure your mirror is securely and accurately hung on the wall. Using the measurement you just took, measure down from your pencil mark on the wall. This measurement is crucial as it determines the exact height at which your mirror will be placed. Make sure to double-check your measurements to avoid any mistakes. Mark this spot with your pencil. A clear and precise mark will help you in the next steps. It's always a good idea to use a level to ensure your mark is perfectly horizontal. This is where you'll install your hook or nail. Depending on the weight of your mirror, you might need to use wall anchors for additional support. Make sure the hook or nail is driven in straight and secure. Make sure the hook or nail is strong enough to hold the weight of your mirror. Test the strength by gently pulling on it. If it feels loose, reinforce it with additional hardware. Once you're confident in its stability, you can proceed to hang your mirror. Section 7. Up on the wall. Now carefully lift your mirror and align the hanging hardware with the hook or nail you installed on the wall. Gently let go of the mirror. It should hang securely on the wall. Section 8. Straighten and enjoy. Take a step back and admire your work. Does your mirror hang straight? If not, you can make small adjustments by gently shifting the mirror on the hook or nail. Section 9. You did it! Congratulations, you did it! You've successfully hung a mirror on your wall. Enjoy the way your new mirror brightens and beautifies your space.